Okay, so this video is about the private health insurance system in Australia. Now, what is private health insurance? Well, basically, you pay a fee regularly so you can get the privilege to choose your doctor, or you may even get to see your doctor sooner. However, there may still be out of pocket expenses. So that's what we commonly call a gap. Now, should you get private health insurance? Well, it depends. If your income is above 90,000, then yes, maybe. I would suggest you talk to your accountant because they may recommend that uh, yes, you should get it so that you can avoid something called the Medicare levy surcharge. The private health insurance has two components. So there's the hospital and there's an extra component. The hospital component is the one that you need in order to avoid the Medicare levy surcharge. The extra is actually optional. Now, there are a few tiers with private health insurance. There's the bronze tier, there's the silver tier, and there's the gold tier. Now, the gold tier is generally the one with the top cover and covers for pregnancy. In between the tiers, there are something called pluses, such as silver plus and bronze plus. They're basically the bronze cover with something extra, or the silver covers with extra conditions covered. Now, how I personally compared the private health insurance, I create a Excel spreadsheet, and you put the private health insurance companies on the top, just like so. And I will write down the policy names that they have, for example, policy 1 under Bupa and policy number 2 that you're interested in, of course, and you just continue doing so on. On the left hand side, I put the excess, such as $250, $500, and $750, because that will affect the premium that you will have to pay regularly. The higher the excess, the lower the regular fees that you will pay. And I will list down the conditions on the bottom left hand side, and I will just put in whether it covered yes or no under the policy. And then over here you would be able to put in how much it would cost for that level of excess, and you can compare what would make sense for you and what would be the best for you, and you will highlight the conditions that are important to you as well. Now, I would suggest you pick your top 2 or 3 options and then compare the prices and read the product disclosure statements carefully. Personally, my wife and I are going with the Queensland Country Health Vital Hospital Bronze because for the price, I think it covers quite a lot of conditions, and I think it's relatively good value for money. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.